Welcome back to We Are Austin from Home, the perfect place to be to chat with our next guest because it is spring, and that's no surprise, the most popular time of the year for home improvement projects. Lucky for us, Kathryn Emery, home improvement and lifestyle expert, and our friend has some great ideas for upgrades throughout the house. It's great to see you, Kathryn. Thanks for joining us.
Always love talking to you, and 'tis the season, spring cleaning. I have some good ideas for you.
I love that. And friends, you will see exactly why that light bulb just went off, because this is very cool. I'm a big spring cleaner. Tidy home, tidy mind is how I am. And in this time of year is a perfect time to do it. This, however, is all new to me. What is this cool gadget?
This is next level, Trevor. You're going to love this. So this is Sylvania Light Shield germicidal light bulb. How it works is it's just a regular light bulb. So it's just a regular, this is a 65 watt, this is a 60 watt. You put in your overhead light. It's an LED. It's going to last you 10 years. If you get the daylight, that really bright white or soft white. But here's when Light Shield starts working. Once you turn it on, that's when the natural airflow will bring germs and odors in contact with this light shield. And this light shield will disinfect, neutralize, deodorize germs and odors throughout your house. So all you have to do is turn on a light bulb and you're killing germs and odors in your house. Isn't that fantastic?
That is wild. I've never heard of anything like that before. How easy is that? That's for the house cleaner light in your household who maybe doesn't like to do it.
Everybody needs help. So you can find these at homedepot.com against Sylvania Light Shield, but I love it. I mean, you need light anyway. Might as well have it working for you while it's on, right?
That's right. It's a win-win. It's double duty. That is so very cool. Well, what is right now one of your favorite things to use at home? Since you're the expert, I know you've got the inside track.
Of course, I love, you're gonna laugh at me, but it's a mop actually. And I love it because it cleans multiple surfaces in one, and you'll appreciate it. So it's the Rejuvenate Click and Clean Mop. We've got some great B-roll of it in action. It scrubs, it dusts, it polishes, it shines everything in your house: stone, tile, laminate, wood, baseboards, you name it. It comes with three pads here, 2 pads and a grout brush, but this is a microfiber pad, so you can use it over and over again. Microfiber is actually a mighty material too. It's like a magnet for germs and dirt. This is a dusting pad, so get all those baseboards. And then this is a grout brush, and the grout brush is amazing because you can clean those high to reach areas in the tub or in the shower, on the ground, so you don't have to get scrubbing. I just love it. And you can use this microfiber pad over and over again, so it ends up saving you money. But my parents had something on their wood floor the other day, and I said, don't worry, I got the Click and Clean. I grabbed it, put a little, so you have all these awesome Rejuvenate formulas that you just click right into the mop.
Wow.
And it was gone. They had a little bleach there, and we got rid of it right away. So the Click and Clean mop, it does everything for you. It's awesome.
Very cool. I love how versatile that is. It's super cool. And the fact that you can use that microfiber cloth over and over again, that is especially handy. I have places in my house that you go from wood to tile, and it's nice to be able to use one easy mop. Very cool.
100%.
I love that. Well, listen, I have recently been on the great garbage can hunt of 2021, and I have been surprised at A, how many choices there are, and B, they can be expensive, but you have a solution.
You put it perfectly. So this is the Rubbermaid Premier Series 3 trash can. Number one, you even said it. I loved it. You're like, that's a good looking trash can.
It's really cute.
It is, right? So it's the supermodel of trash cans here. So no, but I mean, see the finishes. It's got the stainless steel rim and this super wide stainless steel foot pedal because you want to go hands-free. So like you said, you don't think about your kitchen trash can. You should, because so many germs are there and you really want to go hands-free. So it's got this super wide foot pedal, stainless steel foot pedal. I love it here because it's got a locking here because I like to cook. So I'm peeling my carrots, I'm peeling my potatoes, I'm cracking my eggs right over there. It also has an interlocking system where it's actually going to lock the bag in place, because that's another pet peeve when you throw something in there and the bag goes with it. And then it's got a venting system. So when you pull it out, the bag doesn't rip. So they've just thought of it all over there at Rubbermaid, and I love it because you can get it at homedepot.com for under $40. So like you said, you don't want to break the bank, but you want it to look good. It matches everything in your kitchen, but you don't want to, who wants to spend more than that on a trash can, right?
Yeah, I cannot believe that price tag is really unbelievable. That is a really good, and it's a trash can. It's kind of like an appliance in your kitchen. You always see it. It's in the way. Not all of us are lucky enough to be able to hide it. So it's good that it's cute and cheap. That is a really good find.
I love that you called it cute. That's awesome.
I mean, come on, it's cute. All right.
We're going to
And
put her
this
in the
next
corner
one,
right now.
this next product here, Kathryn, is the product that I cannot believe it didn't already exist in the world. And how did we ever live without it? This is so cool.
You put the words, you put it so beautifully. So this is the Delta toilet paper roll holder with nightlight, and it is so simple. They just have a little nightlight right here built into this toilet paper roll holder, and it gives you a really soft light right when you need it most. Because how about a raise of hands of who wakes up in the middle of the night and wakes himself up by turning on the light? So it's just genius. So you just pop 2 AA batteries in there. The light's going to be on for 8 hours, off for 16 hours. You're only changing the batteries about 3 times a year. So they're going to last you about 4 months. I love this pivot arm because, and who wants to change the old school style? You just roll the paper. So it's easy for anyone to roll the toilet paper right on there. And then it looks nice. It's got like a spot shield resistance, so it's going to stay clean. They've got all different different styles, but just Delta, they're just so smart. It's just so simple. So the light up toilet paper roll holder, I wish I thought of it.
What a time to be alive, Kathryn.
Right?
What a time to be alive. It's pretty amazing. And anything that helps aid the toilet paper replacing process in my household is very much appreciated. If you feel me there. Kathryn, these are all great products for spring lifestyle in our homes, getting ready for spring. Where can we go to learn more?
Everyone should go to bethebesthome.com to learn about all of these awesome products and more great home improvement tips.
Excellent. Well, Kathryn, it's always great to see you. I learned something and walk away with a shopping list. So job well done. Mission accomplished.
That's awesome. Happy spring cleaning and spring updating.
Thank you. And to you. And stay right there, friends. There's more We Are Austin coming right up after this.